presentation, we will be evaluating and investigating the slopes of perpendicular lines. We're going to use theoretical framework to investigate the slopes. The essential information you must know is what is a line that's represented by the equation y equals mx plus b, what an ordered pair is, a point, what similar triangles are and the postulates that can be used to prove them, and what a reciprocal is. This is key, being that the multiplicative inverse for a number is very important to know when looking at perpendicular lines. You also must know what a horizontal line is, a vertical line, and also the definition and the calculations necessary to find the slope. So using the drawing program, two similar triangles are formed by a set of perpendicular lines cut by perpendicular transversals. You will see you have a set of perpendicular lines that are drawn in purple, and then they are cut by the red lines, which are horizontal and vertical transversals. So at this point, you will see that you end up with two similar triangles, and similar triangles have proportional sides but also have the same angles. When you look at it, the slope of one similar triangle and the slope of the other similar triangle, you have negative reciprocals of each other. 2 is the slope of this line, negative 1/2 being the slope of this line. You can also look at the proof through Python. When you end up drawing the lines and you calculate, you realize that you end up with the slope of one line being -1 and the slope of the other line being 1. Once again, negative reciprocals of each other. Any perpendicular lines that you enter into the program will result in the slopes of the two lines, each being negative reciprocals of the other. Perpendicular lines are formed when two lines cross at 90-degree angles. The slopes of the perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. This can be proven by considering a vertical line passing through the origin with a point xy and a slope of yx. Rotate the line 90 degrees where the line passes through negative yx, resulting in a slope of negative x over y. The two slopes, y over x and negative x over y, are negative reciprocals of each other. Therefore, the conclusion is that the lines must be perpendicular since the slopes are negative reciprocals. You will never have negative reciprocal slopes on lines that are not perpendicular to each other. Therefore, you know when you calculate slopes, if or if not, the lines are actually perpendicular prior to ever drawing them or doing any other calculations.